Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be about 2 ways you can change the case of your text in Excel. In this video, the 2 ways we are going to change the case of our text is flash fill and formulas. So let's get into it. Our first way of changing the case is flash fill. So there is 2 ways you can do flash fill. The first way is, so over here I have named the lowercase, uppercase, and proper case areas and that's where we're going to type in our cases. And over here are some names that have a really bad case format. So what I'm going to do, the first way is to click on lowercase. So I'm going to start with lowercase and just type in what you want the lowercase to look like. Okay, and after that, you select the rest of them. And then we're going to go Control E because now Excel recognizes a pattern and it will apply it to the rest of your names too. Now, uppercase is the same. So James Wilson. And then again, same thing, click on it, select, and Control E. There. And it's a little bit bigger. And here we are. It will give us the uppercase version of the names. Now, it will be the exact same for the proper case. So we'll type it in proper case, James Wilson. And then again, we'll select it. But this time what we can do, this is the second way that you can do flash fill. We will go to this fill. And when you go down, it has the thing flash fill. And basically what we've been using is the shortcut to flash fill, which is, it even says over here, Control E. But if you want to go for the button way, then flash fill is here. So we click on flash fill and it will recognize the pattern and it will give you the proper case of the names. For the second way, we'll be using formulas. I'll go to my lowercase, and the formula for lowercase is equals lower, and you'll get the option here. So you double click on that, and then we'll click the cell that we want the case to be lower in. So I'm going to click on that one, and then I'll just press enter. So there, it will change your case to lower, and then come to the right hand bottom corner and you will get this plus sign. Just double click on that and it will carry the pattern on for the rest of the names too. Now it will be the exact same for uppercase. So you go equals, but instead of lower we type in upper and then select this and then same thing, click on the cell that you want it to work on, enter, and it will give you the uppercase. And again, come to the right hand bottom corner of the box and then double click on that and it will give you the rest. And as you guessed, it will be the same for proper. So we'll type in proper and then click on the cell, enter, double click. Now, if you don't want the formulas in the text and you just want to convert them to values, what you can do is you can just highlight the area that you want it and then right mouse click on the range and drag it forward and then drag it back and you'll get this option list here and just click on copy here as values only and then it will give you it will take out the formula for you. So that's it for this video. I hope everyone took something away from this, and now you know how to change your text case in Excel. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video for more content.